Here is a heart from our model, Corona Carl, and we're going to go through the parts of the heart and follow the blood from the right atrium through the body back to the right atrium. So if we open this up, we start off, right here is the right atrium. Remember, it's the heart's right and left, not yours. This is what receives deoxygenated blood from the body. This is the first part of the pulmonary circuit because we're at pulmonary, we're going to pump to the lungs. From the right atrium, blood passes through here. This is the right AV valve, also called the tricuspid valve. After it passes through here, it's in the right ventricle. The right ventricle pumps the blood. It goes through this valve, which is the pulmonary semilunar valve, to the pulmonary trunk. The pulmonary trunk branches to the pulmonary arteries. These go to the lungs. They take that deoxygenated blood to the lungs where it picks up oxygen. The oxygenated blood then returns to the heart through pulmonary veins, and you have 4, 2 from each lung. Those pulmonary veins take the blood here to the left atrium. So now we're in the systemic circuit. The left atrium begins systemic circuit. Systemic means your whole body. So the left pumps out to your whole body. From the left atrium, the blood passes through the left AV valve, which is right here. It's also called the bicuspid or the mitral. Then the blood is here in the left ventricle. The left ventricle has the thickest walls because it has the hardest job to do. It has to pump to your entire body. The left ventricle pumps the blood up, and it goes through the aortic semilunar valve right there into the aorta. The aorta branches into all the systemic arteries that go throughout the body. The blood flows through systemic capillaries where it gives oxygen to the cells, picks up their carbon dioxide. Then it goes into systemic veins. Systemic veins come back to the heart and they merge. And here we have the superior vena cava, which drains all the blood from above your heart, so like your head and arms. And here we have the inferior vena cava, which drains all the blood from below your heart. And the 2 vena cavae both empty back here into the right atrium.